and welcome to the world of soils. Soils are so interesting and have such a variety of characteristics that can tell us so much about the past, present, and future. Today, we'll be taking a closer look at my favorite soil, the Octagon Soil Series, and my partner Connor's favorite soil, the Sonnet Series. The Sonnet Series is located in Connor's hometown of Miles City, Montana, and the Octagon Soil Series is located in my hometown of Elburn, Illinois. Let's dive in and take a closer look.
Now, to learn a little bit about the Sonnet series of soil. This soil is located throughout eastern Montana and found on a rather flat landscape. It was formed along sedimentary plains and stream terraces. This was due to the parent material being deposited by rivers and streams. The Sonnet series has a texture of a clay loam, meaning that it has a fair amount of clay in it. And if you've ever been to eastern Montana, this would be rather apparent since the soil when wet is rather sticky. However, the Sonnet series only receives about 13 inches of precipitation per year, which is not a lot. It has an average temperature of 44 degrees Fahrenheit, and due to its elevation of 2,500 to 3,500 feet and its location, it does not frost for most of the year.
The Octagon Soil Series goes by the taxonomic class of oxyaquic hapludolph. Oxyaquic means saturated with water, and the hapludolph, most notably for it being an alpha sol and a part of the Udic moisture regime. The taxonomic class oxyaquic hapludolph does a good job representing the surplus of water in the soil. This soil can be thought of a full bucket of water with plenty of plant available water year-round that makes this soil very good for agriculture. How does this soil have so much water? Well, in large part, it's due to its clay and the surface area that it takes up. As well, the soil is very good for agriculture because of its relatively neutral pH, meaning that crops can grow very easily here with its low acidity. The rock percentage in this soil is very low, making it very easy for roots to shoot deep down into the soil. Roots in the Octagon Soil Series can be seen as low as 96 centimeters. And that's a good wrap on the Octagon Soil Series.
Now, to compare the Octagon series to the Sonnet series, we'll talk a little bit about the hydrologic cycle as well as the land use management. For the Sonnet series, the T erosion factor, or the tolerance to the loss of soil in tons per acre per year, is roughly 5, whereas the Octagon series is roughly 4. This means that the Sonnet series is more resilient to soil loss than the Octagon series. As for the drainage of the two soils, the Sonnet series is a well-drained soil, whereas the Octagon series is a moderately well-drained soil. This means that the Sonnet series has better drainage and therefore has more plant available water than the Octagon series. As for land use management, the Sonnet series is best suited for agriculture, whereas the Octagon series is best suited for forestry.
Wow, the Octagon Soil and the Sonnet Soil Series have so many similarities and differences within their soil profile. Today, soils are still relatively misunderstood. The techniques and methods used to observe these soils can only give us clues about what's to come for these soils and what came before. Soils are like a large bank of Earth's history stored with us wherever we go, all underground. That is why I call soil the eighth wonder of the world.